The Earth is drying. Water is an overused resource, and a large amount of water stocks are being drained. In fact, by 2025 2/3 of the world's population may be facing water shortages. But most of our planet is seawater, and water desalination is becoming the main alternative to generate new supply. Water desalination is growing over at 12% per year, but the current main systems present some critical problems concerning sustainability, emissions and production costs. Aqua.abib offers a new proposal that goes further than water supply, and represents a wrapped-up asset for development, because it also produces commercial salt and it is based on an infrastructure similar to a greenhouse, which represents another value on its own. aqua.abib's system consists on a pyramidal structure of 2,500 square meters and 15 meters height. The structure is covered by a transparent plastic layer on top and a black plastic layer underneath, and the system functions in the following way. The double layer captures the sun's energy with an effectiveness ratio of more than 70%, thrice more than solar panels, and heats the air in between the two layers. The hot air rises naturally, moving towards the top vertex of the pyramid. When it reaches the vertex, the air has heated to temperatures over 100 degrees Celsius. In this zone seawater is sprayed, and it instantly evaporates. Salts fall down to the bottom, where they are gathered as a good of high commercial value. The water vapor is conducted to a central column, where it starts a condensation process to be stored as fresh water in an underground gallery. The performance of the pyramid depends on the latitude, sea level and climate, but the estimated average performance is of 16,000 cubic meters of water per year, and 560 tons of salt. That means enough to cover the full needs of about 1,000 persons, or enough drinking water more than 25,000 people. And all this providing the best overall return of the desalination market. Costs are not the only advantage. Another line of savings is that it doesn't require a system to manage brine, as it produces salt instead. The installation period is of just a few months. It is autonomous, as it can operate without a connection to the electric grid. And it is easy to use, as it is a system with a simple and robust structure that works on thermodynamic processes. All that leads to a system that can be installed and used in areas with little infrastructures or qualified professionals. Also, the pyramidal structure provides a covered area, a space with geothermic refrigeration at ground level, ideal for other activities like farming, living, hosting, sports or other activities, adding value to the infrastructure. Finally, the system can deal with other processes like wastewater treatment and toxic water purification, giving flexibility to future uses and keeping its value even if water desalination was no longer necessary. But the most important element to consider is the perspective that this new system provides. We can think in a future in which we have not drained the planet, and where there is no need to contaminate it either in order to generate enough water resources. A planet in which we are both generating development and increasing the green areas. That is our objective.